We back with another banger video, and today we got everybody in the back. We finna run the scat, see how this thing does. Let's get right into it.
This backpack.
Stop it. Get some help.
What's up? Oh, he's
That was a good run. That was a good run. Oh, I did a fat ass burnout. Yo, I did the biggest burnout. You see that smoke? That's from me. Guys, that's my first time running the car, and it was pretty fucking weird. So I ran at 8.6. Guys, so what happened is, like, the traction, it's weird. It was like, it was spinning, and it was like, it was shaky. Y'all saw it, like it was shaky, like it was not grabbing on. Hey yo guys, we just did one run because the line was too big and I didn't want to stay stuck in that, but you know, we gotta keep bringing some good content. I'm gonna give you a little pool right here. Jeez, man, I hate slamming on the brakes like that. I ran at 8.6, and that's and that is 1/8 of a mile. This dude turned his lights off. Oh my God. Them pops are amazing. Them backfired. Let me hear it. Watch this, you guys. Oh, this car is hot as potatoes. Yo. Hey, don't forget to subscribe and like. I know you guys love these videos. Before y'all head out, smash that like button, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace out.